Well, not something we'd expect to see in Houston, Texas. So, a little bit of snow. Both the girls are safe. It'd be really dumb to take the Corvette out. We will probably be foolish to do, but we'll take the Cadillac instead. Yeah, I know, you might say, Mike, why? You have an all-wheel drive Subaru that'd probably do just fine in the snow. What fun is that? So, let me go take a stroll down the street. Close the garage first. Covered up plants. Apparently they're saying this is something that's like once in every 10 years, and then it's like hit record time lows. It hasn't been this cold in 30 years. The streets are empty, barely any tracks on the ground, which is smart. Really don't want people out driving in this. Like I said, I'm probably gonna take the Cadillac out in a little bit, but I'm just staying in my neighborhood. I'm walking down here because I want to see if this little dead end has no track prints. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna try to get some cool photos and a little bit of B-roll for you guys. Alrighty, so we're walking up on the spot. Oh, that's ice. That's why they don't want anybody on the street, because you'll just slide. There's a couple of footprints, but I'm gonna see if I can get around that. And let's cut to it. Got it over here, down the street, on a dead-end road. Got some nice fresh powder, no tracks, besides all the tracks I made taking video footage. You know, the snow really shows off the black, the carbon fiber, more carbon fiber, more carbon fiber. But there she is. Just a nice little clip of it. Little update. That car would not go back up in the driveway to get in the garage. So I had to leave her on the street. I'll just leave it there. No big deal. Full coverage. Oh, I almost slipped. Say hi.
I threw a snowball at my dad's car.
He did, but I told him to. Yeah, so I let him throw the snowball. Pretty good aim. He hit the glass, so got one there. I think he threw a second one, but that's alright, because they made a bucket snowman. Got to give him an A for effort. It's not quite round, but
No! Time to destroy
made
it.
the bucket. Say hi.
Okay.
Hi. Time to destroy it!
You're fine. Man, those big ass eyes for a little bitty snowman.
I couldn't get anything smaller.
Alright, well, if you make it fit, fine. I'm gonna go inside and go find some stuff. Let's give him arms.
I need the eyes!
Hold on. Yeah, we need eyes. Lola said it needs eyes, so we need to go work on getting some eyes. So, hold on. And boom, just like that, it's done. Alrighty, so my camera batteries died. I'm trying to get her in the garage. By about 45 minutes later, it worked. Kind of shoveled some of the spots to get traction once we get over the hump. But even so, I was still burning rubber, kind of stuck in the spot for a little bit. But it's alright, got her in. They call this the Thunderdome, where you guys battle it out. Go! All right, Aiden. Anything you want to say to end the vlog?
End the vlog before I
Do what?
Subscribe to
End the
Automotive
vlog.
Apparel.
Make sure you hit that like
die.
button
End the vlog before I die.
and comment down below. Until then, see you guys on the next one.